Today, I'm going to show you how I color grade footage captured from the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This method applies to any DJI drone that shoots in D-Log-M. Let's dive right in. So, you got your new fancy drone, but can't seem to get a good looking grade. You might be missing this crucial step. First, make sure that your drone films in D-Log-M. Then, go to the DJI website. I'll provide the link in the description below and download the DJI D-Log-M conversion LUT. Import the drone clip to the timeline and apply the LUT. Bam! Your footage is now normalized and ready for you to stylize to your liking. For me, I simply adjust the exposure, boost contrast, correct white balance, and adjust saturation. That's usually it for most of my drone shots, so use the LUT to normalize your drone footage and color grade on top of that to your liking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videography tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.